How to make Polish cucumber salad. It's creamy, crunchy, refreshing, and so easy. You just have to toss sliced cucumbers with sour cream, onions, and season with dill and lemon juice. It's super simple but so delicious. It makes a great side dish to any meal. Ingredients: 1/2 lbs cucumbers, 3 small cucumbers, 250 g. 2 tablespoons sour cream. 1 tablespoon chopped dill. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. 1 tablespoon chopped red onion optional. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Peel the cucumbers and cut them into slices. Toss them with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and let stand for 10 to 15 minutes. 2. Drain the excess water. Pat the cucumbers dry with paper towels. 3. Add finely chopped onion, sour cream, chopped dill, and lemon juice. 4. Season to taste with salt and pepper. Stir until combined. Add more lemon juice if necessary. 5. Enjoy. Ingredients notes. 1. Cucumbers. You can use smaller Persian cucumbers or large English/hothouse cucumbers. 2. Red onion. It's completely optional. Some people like this salad with onions and some don't. Instead of red onion, you could also add chives or thinly sliced green onions. 3. Lemon juice or white wine vinegar. To add some acidity to the salad, use lemon juice if you prefer a more subtle acidity and vinegar if you prefer a more pronounced acidity in your salad. I like to use lemon juice. 4. Sour cream. It's absolutely best for the salad, but you can swap it for thick Greek yogurt, plain yogurt, cream fresh, or skyr. 5. Dill. Not optional. You can use fresh or frozen. Do not use dried dill weed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.